Children, to our part 2 video of today's assignment, and you all know that from today we have started with our revision work in each and every subject, because from next Monday, that is from 2nd of August, we are starting with our pre-midterm exams. So we are preparing, we are doing these revisions so that you can get very nicely prepared for your exams, pre-mid exams. Okay, and for that, children, you have to learn all the exercises which I made you complete in your notebooks of chapter number 1 and chapter number 2. One more thing, children, which is very important, that pre-mid exam will be conducted through your school app only, and it will be having ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चंस. दैट मीन्स आपके जो प्री मिड के एग्ज़ाम होंगे वो स्कूल की ऐप पे ही चलेंगे. ओके, स्कूल के ऐप से ही होंगे, और उसमें आपको ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चंस दिए जाएंगे. उसका मीन क्या होता है कि आपको एक क्वेश्चन दिया जाएगा और उसके साथ 3 ऑप्शंस दिए जाएंगे, और जो भी करेक्ट ऑप्शन होगा आपको उस पर टिक करना है. ओके, तो सारा जो भी आपका क्वेश्चन पेपर आएगा, चाहे वो फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स के लिए हो, वर्ड मीनिंग्स के लिए हो, आपको चॉइस दी जाएंगी, और जो भी फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स के लिए करेक्ट आंसर हो वो आपको उस पर टिक करना है. जो भी आपका वर्ड मीनिंग के लिए करेक्ट आंसर हो आपको उस पर क्लिक करना है. लाइक दिस you will be getting your paper in the pre-midterm exam of 20 marks. And please make sure, children, that first you have to attempt all the 20 questions and then submit it. पहले सारे 1 से लेके 20 तक क्वेश्चंस आपको सबमिट कर देने हैं, उसके बाद आपको सबमिट करना है. अगर आप फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन करके सबमिट कर दोगे तो आपका सिर्फ एक ही क्वेश्चन सबमिट होगा, बाकी आप दोबारा अटेम्प्ट नहीं कर पाओगे. Okay, and I hope you all have watched the video, the link which I have sent you, in which you can see that how you have to attempt for your online pre-midterm exam. pre-midterm exam को कैसे अटेम्प्ट करना है उसके लिए एक वीडियो आपको दी गई है आपके स्कूल ग्रुप पे, क्लास ग्रुप पे. सो आई होप you all have watched that video very carefully. तो अब children, I want you all to attend all the online sessions of each and every subjects daily, because in those online sessions also we are taking revision work of your chapters which will be coming in pre-midterm. Okay, so the chapters which are coming in pre-midterm, first of all we will make you do in this revision notebook, and then in the online session teachers will be asking you questions. Okay, so by this you will be aware of all the answers, and you will know that how much you all know about your answers. So according to that only you have to prepare for your exams. Is that clear, children? Now let's get started with our part 2 video, in which today we are going to do fill in the blanks. Okay, and tomorrow we are going to do true false or any other exercise like who said the following and question answers, mainly in our revision work. Okay, so before my next turn tomorrow, I want you all to complete these 2 exercises which I have given you today. First was of word meanings, and second is of your fill in the blanks in your revision notebooks. And I want you all to learn this also. लिखने के साथ साथ आपको लर्न भी करना है, तभी आपको अच्छे मार्क्स एग्जाम में मिलेंगे. ओके, नाउ कमिंग टू द नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज, दैट इज fill in the blanks. So as you can see from a new page, you will make this star and you will write the heading fill in the blanks. And number 1, listen to me very carefully as I will be explaining the sentence with its answer, and in the assignment I will not write the answers. Okay, so listen to it carefully here only. Sentence number 1, Augustus had lost his dash. Augustus ने क्या खो दिया था अपना? Smile. He has lost his smile. So your answer will be here SMILE, smile. Augustus ने अपनी क्या खो दी थी? Smile. Augustus had lost his smile. Now coming to the second sentence, there was a lot of dash on the mountain. Now आपको सबको पता है mountains पे बहुत सारी क्या होती है? Snow. Okay, तो ऐसे ही जो स्माइल की स्टोरी थी, जिसमें ऑगस्टस जो छोटा सा टाइगर था वो अपनी स्माइल ढूंढने के लिए जगह जगह जा रहा था, और ऐसे ही वो एक जगह गया जहाँ पे माउंटेन्स बहुत थे और वहाँ पे बहुत सारी स्नो थी. इट वॉज ऑल फ्रीजिंग देयर. सो यहाँ पे हमारा आंसर क्या आएगा? SNOW, स्नो. There was a lot of snow on the mountain. Is that clear? Now coming to the third sentence, which says Augustus saw in the puddle under his dash his smile. अगस्टस को अपनी स्माइल कहाँ मिली थी? किस में देखा था उसने? जो पानी का पडल था. जो पडल क्या होता है? एक छोटा सा एरिया, एक छोटा सा गड्ढा जिसमें बारिश का पानी भर जाता है. सो अगस्टस सॉ इन द पडल अंडर हिज डैश हिज स्माइल. उसकी स्माइल उसने कहाँ देखी? अपनी नोज के नीचे, अंडर हिज नोज. सो योर आंसर विल बी NOSE, nose. Is that clear to you all, children? Now coming to the fourth sentence, the dash wanted to decide who would call out the sun. जब सन छुप गया था हिल्स के पीछे, तो किसने डिसाइड किया था कि सन को बाहर बुलाना है? All the animals wanted to decide who would call out the sun. So your answer will be ANIMALS, animals. The animals wanted to decide who would call out to the sun. Is that clear to you all? Now coming to the fifth sentence, the lion was the dash of forest. You all know lion जंगल का या forest का क्या होता है? Lion is the king. So here also the lion was the king of forest. So KING, king, is your answer. I hope you all have understood it clearly. There is no confusion with anybody. Now last sentence, that is sentence number 6, is the lion was a dash leader. Lion कैसा leader था? Fair, FAIR, fair leader. Fair leader means वो किसी के संग ऊपर नीचे का बिहेव नहीं करता था. ओके, सबके साथ इक्वल बिहेव करता था. किसी को ऐसा नहीं है कि 4 एनिमल्स को उसने चांस दिया और बाकी के एनिमल्स को चांस नहीं. सबको उसने इक्वल चांस दिया था सन को कॉल आउट करने के लिए. बारी बारी सबकी चांस भी आई थी एंड एवरीबडी ट्राइड टू कॉल आउट द सन, बट इन द लास्ट they all failed to call out the sun. Only in the last one rooster was able to call out to the sun. You all remember the story? किसने सन को बाहर बुलाया था? Rooster ने. So that is all in this topic, children. Today I hope you all have understood. Revision exercise, I have given you only 2 exercises. One is of word meanings and one is of fill in the blanks. Both the chapters are combined in these revisions. So I hope you all have understood. Once again I am repeating fill in the blanks. Listen to it carefully and then we will end this video. Okay. First sentence, Augustus had lost his dash. Your answer is SMILE, smile. Augustus ने क्या खो दिया था? अपना smile. Second is there was a lot of dash on the mountains. Mountains पे बहुत सारा क्या था? Snow, SNOW, snow. Third sentence, Augustus saw in the puddle under his nose his smile. Augustus ने puddle में देखा था, उसकी smile कहाँ थी? उसके nose के नीचे, under his nose. Fourth sentence, the animals wanted to decide who would call out the sun. Animals को decide कर, animals का बहुत मन था. They wanted to have a meeting to decide that who would call out to the sun. Sun को बाहर कौन बुलाएगा? Fifth sentence, the lion was the king of the forest. You all know this, very easy. And the last sentence, the lion was a fair leader. Lion कैसा leader था? Fair leader. Is that clear, children? So I hope you all have understood. Now I want you all to complete these 2 exercises in your revision notebooks by today itself, and you should learn also, because whenever there will be your English online class this week, I will ask you questions this time. Okay, I can ask any meaning of the of any word. I can ask any fill in the blank, any true false, any question answer, anything I can ask you from these two chapters. Okay, so I want you all to learn it properly. So till my next video, children, bye bye, take care, stay at home and stay safe.